Hello, children. Today I am going to teach you a poem, A Legend of Northland. Children, the poem A Legend of Northland is written by the poet Phoebe Cary. Actually, it is a ballet more than a poem. Now, what is a ballet? A ballet is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. Ballets are a part of folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to the next. So, A Legend of the Northland is also a ballet. Now, come to the poem. Now, something about the poet. Phoebe Cary was an American poet, and here the poem is a ballet. It is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. He has written this, The Legend of Northland, as a story. And what he says in this ballet, according to the speaker of the poem, in Northland there lived a woman in a cottage. She was baking delicious cakes in the evening. Saint Peter, during his visit around the world, reached at her door. He was very tired and hungry, as he had been preaching and had not eaten any food. He asked her for a piece of cake. She was an ungenerous and close-fisted woman. She therefore tried to bake a small cake to give away. But each time she baked, she felt the cake was too big to give away. Ultimately, she tried to bake a paper-thin cake which was turned big in her eyes. She began to wonder how the cakes that were meant for others seemed big to her, and those that were meant for her to eat seemed very small. The final cake was put on the shelf. She did not want to part with it to give it to Saint Peter. She refused to part with the cakes. This angered the saint, who was hungry and was about to faint with hunger. He told her that she did not deserve to be a human being, nor did she deserve to live in a house and have a fire to keep her warm. So, what he did? He cursed her and said, henceforth she would have to build her own house and would have to bore holes in hard, dry wood to acquire the scanty food that a bird requires to survive. All of a sudden, a woodpecker flew off from the top of the house. The little woman was turned into a woodpecker. Now, it is noticed by every schoolboy as she keeps pecking at the wood in search of food. So, what had happened ultimately to her, according to the narrator of the poem? She was punished to be a woodpecker by Saint Peter, who would have to struggle to secure food to remain alive. So, what lesson we get through this poem? We get the lesson that if someone is in need of something, and if we have that thing, we must be generous and kind to help. We must take care of others' need also. Our heart must be kind and a giving heart. Whenever we find someone in need, we must try to help them out. So this is the poem and a short description of the poem I have told you, and the poem displays the value of what? Kindness, generosity and charity. Thank you. God bless you.